Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, class.
Afternoon.
How are you today? How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, before we start our class, let me check your attendance. If you here, you can say I'm here. Nadia,
I'm here.
Novita,
I'm here.
Anin,
I'm here.
I think someone absent today. Okay, guys. Before we start our class, let us reciting Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Now, can you see what is this in the picture? Lomba what? The crackers, lomba 17 Agustus. Okay, now I will explain you about celebrating Independence Day. Do you ever follow when there is event in 17 Agustus? What event do you usually follow?
Eating cracker.
Eating crackers. Mbak Nadia? Balap karung. It is all event in celebrating Independence Day. Okay. Before that, I want to ask you, tanggal berapa sih kemerdekaan Indonesia itu?
19 Agustus tahun 1945.
Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, you all have know about the celebrating Independence Day. Now, direct. Okay. Before that, usually siapa saja sih yang biasanya ikut berpartisipasi dalam lomba 17 Agustus? Mbak Nadia, in your village?
Anak-anak.
Ya, terus ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak,
Panjat pinang.
Okay, all follow. And where did you usually do the event? Jadi di mana biasanya tempat yang biasanya dibuat celebrating Independence Day, kayak lomba-lomba itu biasanya di mana? Di lapangan atau di mana?
Balai
Mana?
RW.
Rumah Pak RT,
Balai RW.
depan masjid. Okay, all of the place. And now I want to give you know about recount text. Recount text is the text that tell something in the past. Maybe seperti pengalaman yang pernah kalian ikuti waktu lomba 17 Agustus, seperti mengikuti upacara bendera atau lain sebagainya. In the recount text, jadi di recount text itu ada 3 generic structure. The first is orientation. Jadi seperti di orientation itu membahas siapa, terus di mana sih kita ngelakuin celebrating Independence Day itu, terus kapan, misalnya kapan sih waktunya itu, kayak kemarin atau minggu lalu atau bulan lalu dan lain sebagainya. Yang penting masa lampau atau. Nah, kemudian yang kedua itu events. Events itu seperti kejadian. Jadi waktu kalian ngelakuin celebrating Independence Day itu yang pertama kalian seperti apa? Ngelakuin apa? Upacara. Terus habis itu setelah upacara kayak pembacaan apa? Rules kayak peraturan kalau sebelum ikut lomba itu harus seperti ini seperti itu ya. Terus sampai dia melakukan lombanya. Dan yang terakhir itu reorientation, yaitu biasanya itu personal command. Sebentar. Nah, jadi seperti kalian itu waktu melakukan celebrating Independence Day kayak lomba makan kerupuk, balap karung, itu kalian ngerasain apa? Seperti contohnya, in the end I felt very happy. Yeah. Now I will ask you to make the first. I told kita harus buat brainstorming dulu biar kita tahu bakalan apa ide-ide kita ya. Yang pertama tadi contohnya the first is orientation. The second one is event. The last is reorientation. Okay, now I ask you one by one to write this. The first is orientation. Jadi di orientation tadi ada apa aja? Siapa, di mana, sama apa. That's good. Okay, who want to write in front? Okay, Faza, please come forward. Siapa? Jadi siapa yang ikut lomba 17 Agustus? Oh iya. Gimana? Terus kapan? Then when? Oh, where? This is only Faza and friends. Okay. Thank you. Give applause to Faza. Okay, next is event or chronologies. Who wanna write? No, boy, girl.
No.
Anin. Please come forward.
Yeah.
Maybe just the point you can write. And the last is reorientation atau ending. Wanna write?
Let's go.
Boy. Faisal.
langsung kan?
Ah.
Langsung join. Ini.
Okay, next Faisal. Thank you, Anin. Okay. Now, from this brainstorming, I ask you to write in your book and then present both your work. Jadi kalian harus membuat seperti contoh yang saya kasih ini. Seperti contohnya, last Thursday, my classmate and I celebrated independence. All students gathered in the schoolyard early in the morning. Oke, dan bla bla bla. Dari brainstorming ini. Oke, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I give you 5 minutes to write. Okay. Skip. Next. I will ask you to present what you write from this brainstorming. Before that, I want to divide you become 3 club. Three group. Okay, Nadia, Leni, and Farida, Jenar, Anin, and Nafita, and the last is boys. Okay, who wanna present first?
Boys.
This.
Boys.
Okay, boys, please come forward. Boys.
No, boys.
Yay.
Lah, gitu sebenarnya.
All
All of them.
please. Yeah. Listen up. You can begin.
Okay, last week at 17 August last week at 8 a.m. Faza, which is me, Profit, and Faisal at Pak Ahmad's house. There's an event which is Independence Day. When the independent event is started, we start with the ceremony, and then for there's a list of competition, which is sack race, and then tug of war.
Ching, you. Faza, Faisal and Robin, please help Faza.
We are celebrating 7 August in Pak Ahmad House, and then we doing ceremony and competition secrets of word. Okay, the Indian.
The orientation.
And we are so happy because we are won the Institute of Word.
Okay. Enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Give applause for your friend. Please sit down. You are great. Okay. I think enough for this class, for our class today. Before that, I want to ask you for the last. Before that, I want to give you all homework. So maybe later at 00 p.m. 8 a.m. You can. Jadi nanti jam 12 malam kalian harus mengumpulkannya, tidak boleh lebih. Ya kalau bisa sebelum itu. Okay, before that, any question about the assignment? Tugas? Ya, that's great. Thank you, Mbak Dina. Jadi tugasnya kalian harus membuat satu recon text tentang Celebrating Independence Day. Jadi kalau tidak pernah mengikuti lomba ya kalian yang ngarang, pokoknya harus ngumpulin, oke? Okay guys. Now, what we have learned today? What is the context? And what are the generic structure? The first,
Orientation.
second,
Event.
and the last is
Orientation.
Okay. You are so great. Okay, thank you. Maybe enough for our class today. Before that, before we close our class, let's reciting Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam